What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing throwback tech. And the throwback tech of the day, it's such an iconic device from Samsung, and this is from the lineup of the S series, which is the Galaxy S4. To be honest, let us just jump in to 2013 and understand it's going to be really amazing just to see this iconic smartphone from back in the days and how the features they're keeping up right now. I understand there's a big gap right now between the Samsung Galaxy S series, and it's really iconic. So enough of me talking, guys. Let's dive in throughout 2013 and see this device, how much capable it is. So yeah. Released in April 2013, the Samsung Galaxy S4 was the fourth generation of Samsung's flagship Galaxy S series. It was a phone that set new standards and introduced innovative features that were ahead of its time. The key specification of the Galaxy S4, its 5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display, a 1.9 GHz quad-core processor, and a 2 GB of RAM. A 13 megapixels of rear camera and a battery of 2600 mAh of battery. The design of the Samsung Galaxy S4 was sleek and modern. It featured a 5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with the vibrant colors and deep blacks, cast in a polycarbonated shell that was both lightweight and durable. The slim profile and rounded edges made it comfortable to hold. Galaxy S4 next to the Galaxy S3 and S5 for the design evolution compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S3. The S4 had more refined look and feel, and it paved the way for future Galaxy designs. Under the hood, the Galaxy S4 was the powerhouse. It came with a 1.9 GHz quad-core processor and alongside of the 2 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance and multitasking. Whether you were gaming, browsing, or streaming, the S4 handled it all with ease. Games like Temple Run, Candy Crush, and Real Racing 3 ran flawlessly, showcasing the S4's impressive graphical capabilities. One of the standouts of the Galaxy S4 was its 13 megapixels rear camera. At the time, it was one of the best smartphone cameras on the market, capable of capturing stunning photos and full HD videos. So guys, this is me actually testing the front-facing camera of the Samsung Galaxy S4. I keep on saying S24, I don't know why, but this is a Samsung Galaxy S4, and I'm outside here. It's so ambience, and you can hear a lot of sound. Even the plane right now is passing by, and it's really cool. So yeah, this is a quick testing of this device, how much the camera is keeping up in 2024. And to be honest, surprisingly, it's really impressive. I can't deny on this one. You can just see me how good toning it is. And right now, to be honest, it's 616 somewhere here, and the front-facing camera is actually capturing an amazing toning of the image. I understand on this side I'm busting like crazy, but overall it's a great thing. The camera app also introduced several innovative features like dual shot, drama shot, and sound and shot, which allowed users to get creative with their photography. The Galaxy S4 ran on Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean with the Samsung Galaxy TouchWiz UI. It brought a host of software enhancement and unique features. List of unique features were Air Gesture, Smart Control, Smart Pose, S-Health, and IR Blaster. Air Gesture allowed you to control the phone with a wave of your hand, and Smart Control and Smart Pose used eye tracking technology to enhance your viewing experience. And S-Health helped you to track your fitness goals. The IR Blaster turned your phone into a universal remote control, make it versatile companion in your daily life. So basically, the Samsung Galaxy S4 was a truly game changer. It remains a beloved device in hearts of many tech enthusiasts. So guys, it's such an iconic for this device, to be honest, and it captured me through all different perspectives. For the first time, I'm just seeing it again because I've been using this phone from back in the days, from 2013. I remember I used this device for almost like 2 years, and it was a really amazing device, to be honest. Samsung Galaxy S4, it was such an iconic device, having that kind of touch UI, TouchWiz UI, which gave us bunch of options throughout smart controls, throughout gesture control, throughout whatever you'd like. Even it had some text whereby you scan a picture, it tells you the definition of that text. It was just beyond its time. It had the Samsung Galaxy S voice, and it's really amazing throughout this device. To be honest, Samsung S4 series, it's such an iconic device, which I can't complain that much, because what they did, Samsung, on this device, it was really incredible at its peak of its time. It's had a great and amazing IR blaster, like I was saying, and yeah, it's just did its great and amazing kind of job. But right now, whenever you're just using it, like browsing and all of that, it won't give you that much good experience. And alongside it, it's running Android KitKat. When I got it, it's just having Android 4.4.4, which it's KitKat, which it's quite impressive, but still it has its own kind of flaws. Anyways, the KitKat, it seems to be really stable for the device, and I was thinking, should I upgrade to Android 5.0? But still, I decided just to leave it Android KitKat. Still, it handles it perfectly, and the apps, you can sideload them if you want to from back in the day. Some of the app might be working, some of the games might be working too, but still the support of Android 4.4 is actually discontinued. So I think the only Android supported is starting from Android 7 continue up to higher. Right now we're in Android 14, man. Just see the gap which we came by from different stages of Android, which is such an incredible thing to be alive. And let us just not take anything for granted. Let us just be humbled and enjoy the moment where we came throughout even the button. You know, the button. Right now we have full displays, and yeah, people complain still, but we came through all this, such an iconic device. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the Samsung Galaxy S4 throwback tech, and I decided to bring this playlist through all the channels, so as a lot of you guys can enjoy. And stay tuned for another tech which is going to be knocking for you guys soon, so as you can see what will be coming up next. To be honest, I'm really speechless about the older tech which we covered too. The Nokia, you remember the Nokia Lumia 610? It was really such an iconic device too. And today we had to visit the Samsung Galaxy S4, and I can't wait to put my hands on the Samsung Galaxy S3 and all the lineups. I'll try my best to just put my hands on it, share with you guys some memory lane, and explore throughout that kind of diverse throughout these devices. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it throughout here, and let me know in the comments down below what's the most nostalgic thing captured you on the Samsung Galaxy S4. I really love the Google Play music from back in the days. It was so much amazing. I just love it. And another kind of stuff, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.